absolutely bowled over by the beauty of Rob Dozer's photographs and artwork, amazed by all the great recipes shared by the dedicated core of our Solidteknics lovers group. But do you know what amazes me the most? That we've built such a strong movement in just a few short years. And then the amazing 10 full pages of the Zen of Sourdough. Wow, that really is a complete guide.
And then when I was asked to share with contribute to the cookbook, I was thinking, so what do I have to offer to a process like this? But I soon found out the cookbook wasn't about professionals getting together or anything like that. It was about like-minded people sharing their passion for a wonderful product.
There's so many amazing recipes in the Solid Cookbook, practical recipes and also amazing family stories that have been handed down. There's one from my own history, some colourful bushranger history in fact, but I'll leave that for you to discover in the book.
I believe that knowledge is an heirloom because people inherit the life experience and the values from their parents and grandparents. And cooking is the most important multi-generational tradition we have. We've collected family recipes from people all over the world, and I can't wait to pass them on.
Your support for this first edition Solid Cookbook is greatly appreciated. And like I always say, we can't do it alone. And we're making not just great cookware or great knives or even great cookbooks now, but together we're making history. Thank you.